Pasensya kayo guys, walang ano, wala palang ano 'to, sounds. Banding po namin kahapon 'yan dun sa farm. Kaya 'yan, itong makulit namang kaibigan ko mga Pilipino, happy-happy kahapon. Kahit puyat at pagod, sulit naman dahil they are all happy together with the employers. And marami kaming katulong. Guys, bye muna ako. Late upload. Marami pa akong i-upload guys. Memories namin doon. Please subscribe and watch my YouTube channel. Thank you, thank you. Love you. Mwah.